Children, today I am going to take social for 10th class, lesson number 20, that is social movements in our times. So in the last session we have discussed about the first half of the century, how it is dominated by world wars, and nuclear arms race intensified after the end of Vietnam War. The Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty was signed on July 31st in the year 1991. Since 1990s, globalization or non-liberalism has deeply impacted the lives of the unprivileged and the poor. In 1971, the Greenpeace movement initially started as a protest against USA for conducting nuclear tests underwater near Alaska. So the Greenpeace has taken up the impact of climate change across many countries. Sustainable development is development which is environmentally sustainable over long time and also just for all people, both of the developed world and the underdeveloped world. The great tragedy of Bhopal gas disaster happened in Bhopal in 1984. The initial environmental movements So sustainable development in development which is environmentally sustainable over long time and also just for all people, both of the developed world and the undeveloped world. The great tragedy of Bhopal gas disaster happened in Bhopal in 1984. The initial environmental movement started in India were for the protection of natural forest. Building of large multi-purpose dams was an integral part of India's planned development from 1950s. Building of large dams displaced thousands of trees and animals and acres of fertile fields and people. Baba Mahalia was a part of the Narmada Bachao Andolan that organized people's movement in the Narmada Valley against the dam. Silent Valley movement took place in 1973 to 85. Silent Valley movement was against the building of dam in Western Ghats in Kerala. Silent Valley is famous for lion-tailed macaque, a kind of a monkey. Silent Valley was declared as a national park in 1985. CSE was founded by Anil Agarwal in 1980. To study environmental and developmental issues. The Kingdom of Manipuri signed a merger agreement with India in 1949 and Manipur was made a part of India. Armed Forces Special Powers Act of 1958 is one of the laws that have been imposed to maintain law and order. The Armed Forces Special Power Act gives to the security force the right to arrest or shoot people simply under suspicion of being involved in anti-national activities. Mira Paibi, torch bearers originated as a movement to prevent public disorder due to alcohol abuse in the late 1970s. But the women took to patrolling the streets at night against the frequent military operations and human rights violations by the Indian Armed Forces under AFSPCPA Act. One among them, Iram Sharmila of Manipur, has been on hunger strike for more than 10 years and is under house arrest. The Telangana Rashtra Samiti, many organizational experiments like Telangana Jana Parishad, Telangana Mahasabha, Telangana Janasabha and Telangana Aikya Vedika were tried out with political enthusiasm and spirit of activism, but no political party emerged. It was in this contest that Telangana Rashtra Samiti was formed in April 2001. Meanwhile, Telangana movement was getting expressed in different protest forms like Doom Dams, public song and dance programs. In Garjanas, massive public meeting to proclaim the demands, and Padayatras, marches, the traditional Bonalu offering to deities, drawing rangolis, was also invoked to express the popular Telangana demand. The Telangana Survey caste expressed Telangana movement in protest shaving, protest washing clothes of their customers on streets and in collective cooking, Vantavarku, in public places. This massive, spontaneous people's movement was going on in the villages between December 2009 and April 2010. Students spearheaded in this movement. At this juncture, students formed a joint action committee, JAC, and then the flames of JAC spread to all organizations, springing up hundreds of JACs in Telangana. Hundreds of youngsters committed suicide, shattering their families, and Telangana is a sad saga. Sambandha Varanas, all castes like Chakalis, washermen, Nai Brahmins, barbers, toddy tappers, Katikaparlu, caste buried the dead people, Vamsa Rajulu, Lambadas, Erukulas and Madikas formed their own JACs and joined the protest movement. In many mandal headquarters, a relay fast was organized in which one particular caste group gathered with all its traditional implements and practiced their craft, and in the public places such protests were not confined to traditional professions or castes People from modern professions like teachers, industrial workers, mining workers, trade unions and women organizations held similar protest. And the K. Chandrasekhar Rao fast 2009. To give a decisive expression to this momentum, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, the leader of Telangana Rashtra Samiti, announced an indefinite fast to begin on 29 November 2009 at Siddipet. He was arrested and lodged in a jail even before the students started his fast. He started the fast in Khammam jail and subsequently continued it in hospital too. He was hospitalized and still he was doing his fast. The students of Usmania University formed a Telangana Students Joint Action Committee on 16th November to express solidarity with him. The sphere of people forming Joint Action Committee, that is JACs, spread to Kakatiya University and then to Palamur, Satavahana and Mahatma Gandhi Universities of Telangana. Then the employees, JACs, lawyers, JACs of caste or communities and the district level JACs sprang up. The Telangana Rashtra Samhiti leader K. Chandrasekhar Rao fast became a massive people's movement. He was fasting for about 10 days between 29th November and 9th December in the year 2009. This galvanized the people and the movement received a new trust and meaning. Bhopal gas disaster related movements. You must have read about the great tragedy which happened in Bhopal in 1984. A poisonous gas leaked out of the Union Carbide factory. Later, this factory was purchased by Dow Company. Thousands of people lost their lives and many more are still suffering from its ill effects. This was perhaps the worst industrial disaster in the world. Right from the beginning, the people of Bhopal have been fighting for 4 main demands. Proper medical treatment of the victims, adequate compensation for them based on international standards as the company was a multinational company, fixing criminal responsibility for the disaster on the management of the multinational company. And finally, steps to prevent such disaster in the future. So environmental movements started in our country too in the 1970s as grassroots movements for protection of natural forests. One such movement was the Chipko movement, which you studied about in chapter 11. Building of large multi-purpose dams was an integral part of India planned development from 1950s. Some of these included large dams like Bhakra Nankal, Hirakud and Nagarjuna Sagar. In the beginning, people were too awestruck by the dams, the huge amounts of water it could store, the vast tracts it could irrigate, the amount of electricity it could generate, the floods and droughts it could control or prevent. So much so that no one asked about what would happen to the people. The CSC was founded by Anil Agarwal in 1980 to study environmental and development issues in India. And build awareness about these problems. It began with the publication of its famous series, Citizens Report of State of India's Environment in 1982. And these reports have become authoritative references on various environmental issues facing the country today. So when it was proposed to build a dam across two rivers flowing in the Silent Valley Western Ghats in Kerala, many educated people realized that this would be included one of the most endangered primate species, the lion-tailed. Gradually, a major movement developed against the dams and in favor of saving the Silent Valley. People across the state were mobilized by the Kerala Shastra Sahitya Parishad, that is KSSP. Then, learning among common people, they went to the court and appealed against clear filing of trees in the project area, and Kerala High Court ordered stopping of clear felling in view of the severe protests. The government finally decided to give up the dam project and convert the Silent Valley into the national park in 1985. We have studied in earlier classes about the unequal treatment of women and the struggle being waged by them for equal rights and opportunities. Personal safety and justice, women have been at the forefront of many important social movements in the recent past. Here we will take up two specific examples to understand their better. The anti-Iraq movement of Andhra Pradesh and the movement of Manipuri women against special powers of the armed forces, which had been misused against the people of the northeastern states. Adavallu Ekamaite. This is not a story. This is the achievement of women who have studied in an evening school. Our village is Dabahangunta. We are wage earners. We produce gold from earth, but all our hard work earned money is spent on toddy and arrack. When our men folk do not have money, they sell away our rice, ghee or anything that fetches them arrack. They take away the rice, ghee, anything. And they take away whatever they can lay their hands on. Apart from drinking, they abuse us, pick up fights with us, slap our children. They make our day-to-day existence miserable. Then we read the story of Sithamma's in the premiere. It made us think who is responsible for her death. We then told to the Sarpanch to close the arrack shop, but we could not succeed. So next day, hundreds of us marched out of the village and stopped a cart of toddy. You all know what is toddy? Yes, kallu. To stop this, the women, they went out marching, like they taking out the march in the village, and they stopped the cart of toddy. We told the owner to throw away the liquor. We said all of us would contribute 1 rupee to compensate his loss. And also the women said, throw that liquor. We all the women will contribute the amount. Compensation, we'll give the compensation for that which will be the loss for you. They said each of us will contribute 1 rupee. He was terrified from that day. No toddy has entered our village. Then when a jeep carrying Arak arrived in the village, we surrounded it and warned the owner that we would lodge a complaint with the magistrate. So children, for this lesson you will have to read the complete lesson and write all the question answers and take the photo and send it to the school mail ID. And let me finish off this. Like when the village, when the jeep came, the women all surrendered and asked that person, if you are not going to stop this, we are going to give a complaint on you to the magistrate. This sent a shiver down his spine. He closed his shop. Now with gain is confidence, we realized that the victory was possible only through education. This is no one dared to participate in the Arak action. So children, now it's your time to write your question answers. As soon as you finish writing your question answers, take the photo and send it to the school mail ID. Okay children, till then take care.